Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 Lite, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see right here, we've got this graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. You can see that most of the time I've spent on the settings, contacts, Chrome, camera, and then other apps. You've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. And if you want, you can check further details using two different ways. You can either tap inside the graph or on the particular app. Inside the graph, you will see the dashboard, which will show you for how long you've been using the device in particular days of the week, so you can always check it. Or you can tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, and this time we've got, of course, the dashboard again, but it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.